Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.03. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.58%. This equates to an average return of 0.39% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock has broken through a significant and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, but this could very well be an early signal of a potential trend reversal. As the market reacts, there will be support at the ceiling of the current broken trend, which stands at $99.98. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on upward movement. According to fan theory, $127.88 will be the next possible peak level, creating a resistance that may prove difficult to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 15.55% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 39.35% and negative 15.87%. In examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 37.70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 55.31% to negative 20.54% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $44.85 and $79.75. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock upgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, the price of Advanced Micro Devices stock increased by 1.84%, rising from $98.55 to $100.36. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.75%, with a low of $96.88 and a high of $103.42. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 11.03% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day, aligning with the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 49 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 86 million shares exchanged for approximately $8.66 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 46.41%, or $86.92, below the 52-week high, and 55.85%, or $126.94, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is currently navigating through a complex landscape influenced by several recent developments. President Trump is reportedly set to rescind global chip export curbs, a move that could have significant implications for the semiconductor industry, including AMD. Enhanced international trade conditions could potentially boost AMD's export capabilities and market reach. Adding to the positive sentiment, Bank of America has upgraded AMD to a buy, raising its price target from $105 to $120. This endorsement is driven by AMD's robust growth trajectory in artificial intelligence chips and the personal computer market, indicating strong upside potential amid its recent earnings report. Conversely, while the company exceeded earnings expectations in the first quarter of 2025, the performance was predominantly fueled by client and data center revenues, overshadowing weaker results in gaming and embedded segments. Some analysts express caution, highlighting that current momentum may not be as sustainable as it appears. AMD CEO Lisa Su has emphasized the importance of balancing export controls with opportunities in key markets like China, which she identifies as a significant growth area for the company. This insight could resonate with investors looking for long-term stability amidst short-term fluctuations. In the short term, potential market volatility is expected as investors react to these developments. While in the long run, if AMD successfully leverages its strengths in artificial intelligence and capitalizes on the evolving global chip landscape, we could see a strong positive impact on its stock price. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform rating while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, UBS also rated AMD with a buy and a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Bank of America Securities granted AMD a buy rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, Citigroup assigned AMD a buy rating, again with a hold action. Finally, on Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, Jefferies rated AMD with a hold while issuing a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is also rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts maintain a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $98.34 and $97.17. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, and these may affect near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, May 5, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 0.229%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 24 days ago. The short-term moving average has a buy signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average has a buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we notice the short moving average shows a buy signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average has a sell signal from 130 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 124 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $96.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and considering the trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.54 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.75%. In the past week, the stock's daily average volatility was 3.63%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio or KEE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 98 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $100.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a good level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $96.84. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by papermaster Mark D., who bought and sold 70,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.770. Overall, insiders purchased 993,364 shares and sold 1,414,783 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $96.76, representing a decline of 3.58%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 2 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the breakout from the falling trend indicates a possible shift in direction. We believe that the prices around the breaking point will suggest particularly favorable levels, while the current level also presents a potentially good buying opportunity for the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we expect advanced micro devices to open lower by 14 cents and start trading at $100.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.